If you don't like boring meals but still love quick dishes, then this one's for you. Start with 2 fresh tuna steaks. Rub them with olive oil, salt, and pepper on both sides. Heat your pan to medium-high. Sear the steaks for 2 minutes each side, just enough for a golden crust, but still pink in the middle. Now, for the kale chimichurri. Grab a bunch of fresh kale, a handful of cilantro, a couple of garlic cloves, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Blitz it all in a food processor with olive oil, salt, and red pepper flakes. Voila! Spread that vibrant green chimichurri over your perfectly seared tuna steaks. The freshness of the kale and cilantro pairs beautifully with the rich, meaty tuna. And there you have it. Delicious, healthy tuna steaks with kale chimichurri. Quick, easy, and oh so tasty. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more scrumptious recipes. Enjoy your meal.